They say the best camera is the one that's always with you. And as a new video creator, that couldn't be more true. When you're starting out, you need a camera that is small, light, and compact, and something that fits into your fanny pack or pocket. And it can be pulled out discreetly, ready to capture your next idea without feeling overwhelming. And it's not your smartphone. The DJI Pocket 3 might just be your perfect first camera. It's portable, it's powerful, and designed with video creators like you in mind. Let's dive into why this could be sort of the ideal tool for new video creators like yourself. Hey, what's up everybody? So my name is Bobby.T and welcome to my channel where I help video creators like yourselves grow their brand and tell their story through the power of video. If you're trying to level up your video content game, well, you're in the right place. When you're just starting out as a video creator, the tools you choose can make or break your experience. You don't want something that's too complicated or takes hours to learn, but you also want something that's a step up from your smartphone. A camera that can give you videos that are more polished, professional looking, and have a little bit more of a cinematic look and feel. That's where the DJI Pocket 3 shines. It's a beginner-friendly camera that's compact enough to go anywhere and smart enough to help you create great content right out of the box. So whether you're vlogging, filming tutorials, or documenting your creative process, I believe this camera has you complete covered from top to bottom. So let's dive a little bit deeper into some reasons why I think the DJI Pocket 3 is the perfect camera for beginners like yourselves starting their video journey. Simple, intuitive design. The touchscreen interface on this camera is super easy to use, even if you've never touched a camera before. In auto mode, the Pocket 3 handles sort of all the settings that you might have so that you can focus on creating instead of getting lost in the menus. Compact and portable. This camera is small enough to carry around anywhere, and I mean anywhere. It's light enough and discreet that it fits right into your pocket or bag, making it perfect for spontaneous content creation on the go. You can kind of place it onto your desk and not be sort of overwhelmed by this bearing camera with a big, huge lens on it because it's so small. Smooth and professional looking footage. Thanks to the built-in gimbal and active track technology, you can move around freely while this camera keeps you in the shot steady and perfectly framed. It's ideal for vlogging or filming yourself without needing extra gear. And it has technology capable enough to just follow you around as you're moving around the scene. Now, starting out, the last thing that you want to do is feel overwhelmed by your equipment. The DJI Pocket 3 is designed to simplify this process so that you can focus on creativity, and one of the standout features that makes this happen is actually their app, the DJI Mimo. With the DJI Mimo app, you can control the camera remotely using your phone, which is perfect for when you're filming yourself or need to adjust settings on the fly. It adds another layer of convenience, especially for beginners who might be filming solo. One of the coolest features about this app is the ability to quickly transfer high-quality proxy files from your camera immediately to your phone. This means that, for example, I can record a quick short intro, even a piece of behind the scenes content, save it to my phone through the app, and post it into social media platforms within seconds. No need to sort of export this file or plug in a memory card into my computer. Instead, it's just a smooth and efficient way and a total game changer if you want to create and share content quickly without you slowing down for your workflow. Versatile shooting modes. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram Reels, the Pocket 3 adapts for your needs. You can shoot both in vertical and horizontal formats, making it a great all-in-one tool for any platform. One of the aspects that I love shooting in particular is 1x1, which allows me to kind of reframe my footage for either horizontal and vertical, which is such a cool game changer. The high quality videos out of this thing. The 1-inch sensor delivers a crisp, vibrant footage that goes beyond what you can expect from most smartphones. It's a noticeable upgrade that helps your video stand out from everybody else. In addition to that, because of the amazing sensor they built into this particular camera, it allows you to actually record in 10 bits, which if you are, for advanced users, want to color grade your footage and want to maximize some of the dynamic range, this is the best feature that allows you to kind of create more cinematic looking videos. Recently, I use it to film sort of behind the scenes content and of my workflow and simple everyday moments. For a client project, I was shooting in multiple cities and bringing my sort of DJI Pocket 3 was essential. I could quickly set it up and record sort of behind the scenes of my teardowns and also my setups. I also used it to kind of just film a different perspective of my interviews because I wanted to get sort of a behind the scenes look and feel around some of my content, which was the perfect assistant that I needed to bring along with me to all of these different cities. Accessories and tips for beginners. Now let's talk a little bit about a few things that you want to consider to get the most out of this particular camera. Now, I think accessories are very important, and a tripod for stability, a wireless microphone for better audio, and ND filters for the outdoor lighting can take your videos to a whole new level of looking more cinematic. Now that you got the perfect camera to kickstart your content creation control, there's one more thing that you might need, which is great lighting. Check out the next video here of one of the best compact lights from the good people of Amaran. Peace, love, and hope to talk to y'all soon.